How to log in to MidJourney account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your MidJourney account. In order to do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in MidJourney.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of MidJourney. Here, once you reach to this interface, at the bottom right, you will be able to see two different options, sign up and log in. Since we are going to log in to our MidJourney account, so select login option at the bottom right. By doing so, you will be presented with two different options in order to log in to your account. Here, if you have used your Discord account or Google account in order to continue and create an account on MidJourney, simply click on one of these options, and by doing so, you will need to now wait for a while. After that, you will see this pop-up on your screen. Now, in this pop-up here, you will need to select your Google account that you have used to sign up for your account. Double-click on the Google account. Now, click on this continue button right here, and then you will see you have been successfully logged in to your account now. Now you can explore this platform. So by following the steps, you should be able to log in to your account on MidJourney. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.